Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can download Adobe Acrobat Reader to scan your PDF and edit your PDF on your PC. So let's get started. To do this, we have to open any browser that you like or that you want to open. So I have simply opened over here Chrome browser. So you have to do is type over here Adobe Acrobat Reader and then enter. And once you enter this, you will see over here a bunch of a website that provides you Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you have to do is download the free version. So as you can see over here, this website, I want to open it. So you have to do is click on this website to download your Acrobat Reader. So you can see over here Adobe Acrobat Reader, the world's most trusted for PDF viewers. So you have to do is simply click on this option as well, or you can simply click on this one. So I am clicking on this one and it's gonna be start downloading. So as you can see over here, this is downloaded, and you can simply click on this show in your folder. So as you can see, this one that you have recently installed, so you have to do is simply click on this and it's gonna be get permission to install it. And once it's gonna be taken the permission, and it's gonna be start downloading, and it's gonna be download your all the data of Acrobat Reader, and then it's gonna be installed your Acrobat Reader on your PC. So as you can see, it's gonna be downloading about 7%, and once it's gonna be about 100%, it's gonna be install this on your PC, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.